Welcome back, everybody. As we've been telling you, Father's Day right around the corner, and right now is a great time to focus on men's health. We're so lucky. We have got a special guest here today joining us. We've got Ken Jones here from Level 1 Fitness. Thank you so much for joining us today. We know this is such an important topic, so important to focus on your health mentally and physically. What are some things that men can do to try to prioritize that?
I'll say first, make a self-care day. Have a self-care day for yourself. Stay active. Day just staying active and taking care of yourself. You know, focusing on yourself and centering yourself. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I think so often we think big picture, and sometimes it's small attainable goals. What are some things that you?
Smaller things. Yeah. Me personally, just personal time. Taking walks, going to the park, just enjoying just my personal time and my daily, walks.
Sure.
And just talking to myself sometimes.
Yeah. Carving out that time for yourself. Perfect. Well, we know Health Week, Men's Health Week is next week. There's some events that you all have planned at Level 1 Fitness. Tell us what we can expect.
So we have a lot of events that's going on. So we have a yoga deal that we have going on with our men. And when you say yoga and you say men, a lot of men don't really focus on yoga. It's more like, oh, that's something that women do. But I think this will be a great part for them to center themselves and work on flexibility and just bring down the stress levels. So I think it'll be a good look.
It's very, very challenging, but also you said the other component, meditation in there, and that's an important part as well.
Yes, so the meditation, just most likely just focusing on just you and what you have going on, and just taking yourself from the stressful situation, like work or whatever it may be.
We were talking about during the pandemic, there was an increased focus on health and fitness. A lot of people had a lot of time on their hands, so they were working on that. Yeah. You said you're still seeing that, a lot of interest.
Yeah. We're still seeing that. A lot of gyms shut down, and then a lot of gyms, they made big with that. A lot of people came and just working on just health and working out and all of that. A lot of us was working out in our garages because everything was closed. Yeah, so being now that we can actually go to a private gym, it's crazy. It's packed.
Yeah. Well, tell us about Level 1. What are some interesting things that people can expect if they check
Level
out?
1 Fitness, we're more of a one-stop shop. So we train from athletes to pro bodybuilders to kids. We train everybody. It's more of a family environment. We have no AC.
Ooh, so we're gonna get your sweat on.
Yeah, so we're an iron gym, but more like I said, we're family.
Awesome.
It's a big family thing there. So we just focus on health and mental health and just getting everybody on one accord and getting their body right.
Two-pronged approach with mental health, physical health, all of that.
All of that.
Awesome. Well, Ken, thank you so much for stopping by today. Remember, you can find all of this information, even a replay of this segment, on clicktohouston.com after our show. If you want to look for it, it will be posted under the community section of the website. Stay with us. We'll be right back after the break.